All right, so today we're going to be talking about crediting your sources, specifically using MLA citation and using MyBib to do that. So if you don't have the extension, go to the Chrome Web Store, please. As you can see, this one's already up, but if you type in MyBib, when it searches, it's going to come up to this. And you can just click on it and go ahead and it should add it to your extensions. I'm not going to do that because mine's already right here. This is MyBib, and I've got it up here in my extensions. This is just going to make your life much, much, much easier. Trust me on this. So you can actually go to the site if you wanted to. You type in mybib.com. Mine happens to have me logged in already here. And you'll notice I've got all kinds of projects over here. I used this earlier this year to make lists of books and book reviews for you guys. But yours probably will be empty and you can just start a new project in there. And you could go to the site, but then you have to copy and paste things. And if you log in, life just gets a little bit easier here. So I've been telling you, you'll need to go to Gale in Context to do your research. And if you do that, let's say that I'm researching Pearl Harbor attack, and I'm looking at articles and things in there. And as I do that, I decide that, this article, this one right here, is really good. It's got a lot of good information in it. Okay, a couple of things I can do. I can save it to my drive, okay, which is always a good thing to do. And that's great, but that just makes it easier for you to find it and read it later. I also want to cite my source, though. And you'll notice that it says cite up here. I can do that, but then it just brings me to this. And this is great. You can copy it and paste it. But to tell you the truth, then it's going to create extra work for you later on. So what I prefer that you do is use your EasyBib extension. Okay, and I'm just going to click on it while I'm in this article. It's really important that I'm here in the article. But I'm going to go ahead and click on my extension, and we'll bring this up, and don't worry about it a whole lot. It should say current style MLA 8. If it says anything else, just make sure you change it to that. But I'm going to hit the arrow there, and look at here, it's got my source credited. Yes, I can click to copy and paste it, but again, I don't want you to do that because it's going to make life easier if you don't do that. And I also have the in-text citation I can copy, but right now what I'm going to do is hit Save to Project. Now, this will open up MyBib, and you're going to notice that it put it right here into the project I had open, Advanced OU 1 Books. Okay, there it is. You do not want to have to do all this stuff, trust me. And look at how nice it is, and it's got the in-text citation here and everything. You'll also notice if you scroll down this list, look, B, book review, G, Gale, J, Jacob Have I Loved, L, Lord of the Flies, M, Monster. It's alphabetical, and that's how you have to turn in your final works cited list. The other thing is, now that I have this in this list, when I go to start working through my information and I need to credit my source and I know that it came from this article, you might notice these little icons over here. This one says copy in-text citation. This looks like 2 sheets of paper there. I can copy that, and like it says there, it's been copied. I can paste it into my document now. So it's going to save you typing. You just don't have to do anything else with that then. Okay, and then when I'm all done, I can say download works cited list. I can send it right to Google Drive, and it's going to put a lovely, correctly formatted, notice all the confetti, works cited list into my drive. So if I look in Google Drive for this document, MyBib Advanced OU Books, I'm going to find it in there. I can actually just go to recent. It will probably show up there. There it is, just like I said it would be. Now when I open it, you're going to notice that MyBib has done all the work for you. The spacing is correct. The indentations are correct. You don't have to learn how to do that part. It's alphabetical, and it's in a nice font. Honestly, if you do things this way, you're going to ace this part of the essay. So please, please, please don't just say, oh, I want to do things my way. Do them Mrs. Arnick's way and use this, and you're going to find that this part is a piece of cake. And this is a required piece of the essay, to have this works cited list at the end of your essay. Or I should say attached with your essay. It can be a separate document. So when you go to turn in your essay, all you have to do is find this works cited list, hit add this in, and you're good to go. Okay? So that's the overview of MyBib for today. Ask for help using it if you need it. Okay? And good luck as you do your research.